You don't look too good.
Whatever do you mean, dear?
Well, for one thing, you're all hairy. And Grandma, what big eyes you have.
The better to see you with, my dear.
And what big ears you have.
The better to hear you with, my dear.
And what big teeth you have.
The better to eat you with, my dear.
Oh! But wouldn't you rather have a nice piece of pie?
Pie? Well, yes, I would.
So the wolf ate a slice of lemon pie. And guess what?
Sorry, B1. No harm done, B2.